Hello fam, how are you doing today? Let's talk about how you can actually retire with $1 million using ETFs. So today I'm going to break down what ETFs are. But first, I want to ask you something. So many times I've seen people who are trying to chase the next big explosive stock, or you are having a feeling that probably because I talked about some stocks that did well for us, and you're like, oh my God, I missed a very obvious money in front of me. And I don't want you to get into 2026 doing a lot of guessing, because if all you're doing is not bringing green into your portfolio, meaning your portfolio is not growing, then you need to have a rethink in 2026. I don't want you to do the same thing you did in 2025. So today, I want us to talk about ETFs that can actually help you to make money. So instead of watching your idle money in the market, not knowing exactly what to do, you can actually look into ETFs, and that way you will stop chasing. You will stop chasing like these children are chasing the birds, because you keep chasing them, they keep running away. You never ever get one. So I don't want you to build wealth and it feels like you're gambling. So I just want to describe what ETFs are. One of the ways we have used to make money in my community is ETFs. ETFs are very good and it's beginner friendly. So today we're going to unpack it. So I want you to know that you can become a millionaire with ETFs. So when it comes to stock market, there are so many strategies, and depending on which one you decide to adopt or which one to go for more, that will determine your outcome, and that's where the knowledge comes in. So the key word for us today is ETFs. If it's something you've not been adding into your portfolio, now is the time for you to actually add it into your portfolio from this 2025 and beyond. So ETFs are called exchange traded funds, and I'm going to break them down for you the way you'll understand it. So I'm going to break down this ETF because I believe it will help you as an investor to grow your wealth. Personally, I feel like investors can actually grow their wealth in 2026 instead of picking individual stocks. And sometimes when you pick, you make some mistakes. So you can actually focus on ETFs and then you don't pick individual stocks. Of course, the individual stocks have their own good side and the bad side, because I shared with you some stocks that have done 700%, that have done 1000%, 10 times the value. And that's because if you picked them at a good time, you would have made that gotten that result. So if you don't want to constantly check on the charts every day, ETFs are your go-to. So ETFs, like I said, is called exchange traded funds. It's actually an investment fund that holds a basket of assets. It can be stocks, it can be bonds, it can also be commodities, but they trade on the stock market just the same way Apple, Nvidia, Tesla trades. They trade like that, but they offer you diversification because as they are arranged in packs, they represent different things. Some of them are a group of maybe AI stocks. Some of them are a group of medical health care company stocks. Some are a group of airline stocks. Some are a group of maybe food company stocks. So they are all grouped like that in different baskets, and they give you lower costs, and you can still trade them. Like you can buy them today, sell them today, buy them today, sell them tomorrow. And it makes it flexible for you as a beginner to actually start. So this is what ETFs are. So you go to buy a chocolate box, and this same pattern, this design that has this white design, is all you have inside this box. That's, let's say this particular one, this is all it contains. Remember, this is the cover, but let's take it that this is the first pack, and this pack has 6 of these. And then you have this particular box that has 6 different designs. Tell me the truth, which one will you pick? Because there's a part of you that will be like, this one I will test different things, different shapes, different colors and sizes. So you will want to explore. So this will represent individual stocks. This will represent ETF. So here you have maybe like only Nvidia. And here you have Nvidia, Broadcom, Micron, Palantir, Tesla, and all of that. So this gives you diversification all in one box. So I hope this explanation will make it easy for you to understand. So just think of ETFs are just a box of chocolates that is filled with different flavors and different shapes and sizes, giving you premium taste and opportunity to just, I'm sure you now you're almost thinking whether you should start licking chocolate, but that's not the idea. So this is what I mean by that. So today I want to first welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, my name is Julia. Today is going to be a session. Class is in session. So that's what we're going to do today. Class is in session. I want you to watch this video to the end, drop a comment and let me know if you have any ETF in your portfolio, and of course subscribe, because here I teach you how to make your money work for you. So before we talk about very popular ETFs, I'm particularly interested in AI ETFs. The reason is simple. AI is becoming the thing that everybody is now looking up to. Almost everything. You can see how many jobs have been dropping people because of AI. AI is beginning to automate a lot of things people would have done, and they do it in minutes, in seconds. So I'm interested in AI ETF. So now let's think. Before AI, there was robotics. Like we have robotics, we have chips, we have infrastructure. So I want you to think of infrastructure, because AI really needs infrastructure. It cannot exist on its own. It must have data centers. It must have cloud for cybersecurity. And it must have the infrastructure, which is maybe the hardware and the software things. So you see, imagine bringing all these things in one box and they're all mixed with all these combos. That will give you something interesting. So a quick disclaimer, if I give you the list of the ETFs I want to talk about today, I want to let you know that the ideas I'm sharing here are my personal views from my experience, research, and what has worked for me. So make sure you do your own research. This video is for educational purpose. If you want to learn more and get my kind of list of ETFs, consider joining the community. So these are the ETFs I'm going to mention. One is VOO, 2 is VTI, 3 is IDGT, and 4 is BOTZ. So we're going to go through the 4 of them, and I'm going to take us to the charts, because we get into the chart and we see 1 or 2 things we need to know. Of course, this is just some of them. There are a lot of ETFs. I just want you to know that people in my community, they have access to a lot of ETFs. Many ETFs have done 60, 70, 90, 100, 120% for us. And I love to have them in my portfolio. So of course, consider joining our community. We are wrapping up the year. This is the last time we will ever get it at 50. I don't know about next year, because we'll be reviewing our prices. So consider joining the community and learn, practice, and earn. So let's get into the chart and let's look at 1 or 2 things. Of course, if you have not got this book, this is an opportunity to use it as a Christmas gift for yourself. So consider getting this book. Let's get into the chart and talk about these stocks. Okay, so here we are in the chart, and the first one I picked up is VOO. Now, before I discuss VOO, I just want you to know that there are a couple of things you need to know that will help you to get to $1 million or 1 million naira, or whichever figure you're looking at. The first one is starting early, because you have the magic of compound interest growth. The second one is to automate your contribution. Don't just do a one-off thing. You put in $100 and you think $100 will get you. It can still get you there, but it will take a lot of years. The third one is choose the one that have low costs, meaning the ones that if you look at their expense ratio, I mean, they are actually cheaper. And then go through what that particular stock contains. So there are a few things we're going to look at. The first thing we're going to look at is here, about the VOO. It is a Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, meaning the best and the top best 500 stocks in America is what it is holding here. So this fund is passively managed to hold large cap US stocks. And if I go down a little, you will see their top 10 holding. They have NVIDIA. That's out of the 500. Their first 10, their top 10 is NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Broadcom, Alphabet, Meta, Alphabet, that's Alphabet A and C, and then Tesla and Berkshire. So these are their top holdings. I just want you to know that. Now let's look at their last 5 years. The last 5 years, it has returned 84%, meaning if you left your money in this account the last 5 years, your money would have grown 84%. You see, you don't need to track anything. You don't need to do much. Just leave it like that. The next one is VTI. This is another beautiful ETF that tracks the tech stocks. So the last one I talked about was tracking the best of the top 500. This VTI is a fund that tracks a market cap weighted portfolio that provides total market exposure to the US equity space. So if you scroll down a little, you will see that their total, you can see they have almost the same thing. So I usually tell people that if you have VOO, don't buy VTI because they have almost the same number of stocks, especially in their top 10. But if you look at the last 5 years, it has returned 75%. Can you see this? You can see their beautiful growth. So averagely, you can see they are doing about 15 to 20% in the last 5 years, which is absolutely amazing. So that is the third one. Now the other two I'm going to talk about, I'm going to take us into a different chart, which is the Weibo chart, and then we're going to look at it. So the third one I'm going to talk about is this BOTZ. So if you click on profile, you would see what it is all about. It's actually a global X robotics and artificial intelligence ETF. You can see it here. It was created in 2016, and they provide the investment result that correspond generally to the price and yield of global robotics and artificial intelligence. So I love this because it is kind of new and they've been doing well. Look at, they have grown from 22 to 38 and they had a recent pullback. So this kind of stock, you can actually buy it. Look at the amazing drop they had here and they picked up. So I love this a lot because it is tracking the AI and the robotics. And then the last one I'm going to talk about is the IDGT. So this is, look at this beautiful drop. Look at this from 64 to 90. So let me go to the profile. It is iShare US Digital Infrastructure and Real Estate ETF. So this is a combo of data center, power ETF, because all these data centers, we need a house. So the real estate is taking care of it and they need communications equipment. So all of these kind of companies have been put together, all inside one ETF, so that it will give you this kind of exposure. And as you can see, they have been doing very well. If I take it to the 1 month to just see it very well, look at their steady growth. Look at the steady growth. Look. So this was in 2013. From 22, they've steadily grown to 85. So for someone, you may think it's not so much. Of course, because if you look at a stock like Robinhood that has just in 1 year, from 2022 to 2025, that is 3 years, has done from $6 to $153. So you can see where, if you look at, okay, let me do individual, you must be sure of the stock you're picking. Don't just pick any company. This is one good one that's ran. It used to be 80 and then it sold off, came down to 33 and then picked up again and ran to 153. So the people who invested maybe in 2023, maybe when it was $9 or $10, imagine the person waking up and seeing this stock go to 153. So you can see the comparison, but the good thing is that this one requires a lot of tracking. You have to be checking your chart. But when you look at ETFs, you don't need to check anything. You can actually own them and keep dollar cost averaging, keep topping up until they get you to a price where you would be earning a lot of money. So each of them offers you different things. My own is just know which particular arrangement you need so that it will give you good results. So if you want to get faster results and you want to get access to my own top strategy list, then consider joining the community.